This is a quick video on how I get as least amount of misreads as I can using the Skytrack. One of the first tricks I would say is if you have white on the bottom of your shoe, like they used to be white all around, I darkened out the inside part, where I'm kind of standing, with a black Sharpie. So I would suggest that if you have white anywhere on your shoes or white, get rid of them or dye them or something like that. The second thing I did was switch to these TP5 balls from TaylorMade. They have these little logos all over them. I've also found, like in the secondary, kid sells golf balls, you can get a bunch of deals on those logo golf balls with the big logos on them. I like those. How I set it up to the red dot is basically, that's about the farthest away from the red dot as I go, and then I kind of go back as the clubs get higher. This is my 58 degree. And then when I get to the 3 wood and driver, it's a little bit different, but I'll show you here. So like this is my 58, and this is where I like to set. I like to see the red dot and really not too much green in between, if any. That one felt okay. A little bit chunky. And so yeah. So that's where I like, let's say, my 58. We'll skip the 54 because it's pretty much the same as the 58. And I'll show you the 50 degree. It's pretty much going to be the same. And yeah, I just really use my foot to do this. I kind of see the red dot on that side, and should be showing my swing speed and all that, so you can kind of compare. If you're that was fat again. If you're hitting higher swing speeds, you're just going to want to go back a little bit. If you're hitting lower swing speeds, you just want to go up. And we're just talking, quarter inch at a time. All right, so once I hit like the pitching wedge and the 9, I'm basically putting the ball. One other thing is I put the logo horizontal to it. I kind of just know how that goes. I put it right on top of the dot. This 9-iron, I think, and usually that works out perfect for this club. The pitching wedge, the 8-iron, pulling them a little bit, but once I get about to the 7, I start leaning it more to the back side of the red dot. Make sure I have that logo horizontal. I still don't really want to see the dot from above, but I know my glowing red part is a little bit on the front. Once I hit 6, 5, or 4, and this also goes for my 5 wood, so 6-iron for me, and again, you can look at the club speed, ball speed to compare to yours. That was actually a 7-iron. Maybe I should have put what iron it was. I think this is my 5 in my hand. Now I definitely see the red dot on the left-hand side. I got the logo horizontal. Swing speed's going to be up a little bit. Hit that off the toe bad. Nice forgiving club. So far so good. Haven't had any problems. Now I do have people that come over and have problems because they haven't played enough. and we haven't really figured out where their spot is. It kind of takes a while to figure out where your exact spot, and it really gets goofy when I pull out the 3-wood and the driver. So 90% of the time, 99% of the time, I'm hitting my 5-wood off the deck, the tee box, even in real life, unless it's just in terrible condition. I just like that. And I'm definitely going to see the red dot on the front of that this time. That felt a little slicey. Yep, a little slicey. That's all right. I'm showing it's picking up here. So with the 3-wood and the driver, I do tee it up. There's my 3-wood tee. My 3-wood tee, I use these birdie tees. I'll put a link in the description. I use the number 2 birdie tee for my 3-wood, and I put the sucker right on top of the dot. Put the TaylorMade horizontal towards the machine, right on the dot. We're going to switch these up to the wood so it doesn't look so weird. That's my 3-wood. So it's right on the dot. And then the exact same thing with my driver. The driver I have stuck on here. So that's about my normal ball and club speed with the 3-wood too. Driver again, smack dab on the dot. This is just a makeshift paracord tether I have, so I don't have to chase it around. And this is what works for me. If you have a Skytrack and you don't agree, put the comments below what you do. If you're planning on getting one or have one and need help, just give me a shout. I'll do my best. Way off the toe, but should be okay. So yeah, I can hit better shots than that, but hopefully that helps as far as that.